Moondrop Dawn Pro 2 versus FiiO KA13. Which portable DAC is better? In this video, we're comparing the Moondrop Dawn Pro 2 and the FiiO KA13 to help you decide which portable USB DAC is the better choice. We'll compare their sound quality, power output, features, build quality, and overall value so you can choose the right DAC for your headphones or IEMs. Let's start with the design. Both DACs are compact enough to fit in your pocket and connect directly to smartphones, tablets, laptops, and PCs through USB-C. They both feature a 3.5 single-ended output and a 4.4 balanced output, making them compatible with a wide range of earphones and headphones. Now let's talk about sound quality. The Moondrop Dawn Pro 2 delivers a clean, neutral, and highly transparent sound signature. It has an exceptionally low noise floor, making it an excellent choice for sensitive in-ear monitors. It also includes an 8-band parametric EQ that lets you fine-tune the sound through the Moondrop Link app, giving users much more control over audio customization. The FiiO KA13 also offers a neutral and detailed sound, but its biggest advantage is power. It produces significantly higher output, especially when desktop mode is enabled, allowing it to drive many full-size headphones much more comfortably than the Dawn Pro 2. Now let's compare power. If you're using efficient IEMs, both DACs provide more than enough power. However, if you plan to use demanding planar magnetic headphones or higher impedance over-ear headphones, the FiiO KA13 clearly has the advantage thanks to its much stronger amplifier section. The Dawn Pro 2 is optimized primarily for IEMs and efficient headphones rather than power-hungry models. When it comes to software features, the Moondrop Dawn Pro 2 stands out with its built-in parametric EQ, allowing users to create and import custom sound profiles. The FiiO KA13 offers firmware updates and app support, but focuses more on raw output power than advanced sound customization. Build quality is another important difference. The FiiO KA13 features a sturdy metal chassis and has earned a reputation for excellent build quality. The Moondrop Dawn Pro 2 is also lightweight and portable, but some reviewers and users have reported that its buttons and overall construction are not quite as robust. So which one should you buy? If you mainly listen with IEMs, want an ultra-clean sound, and value built-in parametric EQ, the Moondrop Dawn Pro 2 is an excellent choice and offers outstanding value for the price. However, if you use full-size headphones, want maximum power, better build quality, and greater versatility for future upgrades, the FiiO KA13 is the better long-term investment. It has enough power to handle a much wider range of headphones while maintaining excellent audio quality. Here's my honest verdict. For most casual listeners and IEM enthusiasts, I'd recommend the Moondrop Dawn Pro 2 because of its clean sound, extremely low noise floor, and built-in EQ features. But if you're an audiophile who owns multiple headphones or plans to upgrade to more demanding models in the future, the FiiO KA13 is the better overall portable DAC thanks to its substantially higher output power and stronger hardware. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more DAC, headphone, and audio gear comparisons. And let me know in the comments which portable audio device you'd like me to review next.